Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to explain about how to upload the videos in YouTube through mobile. First open and sign in YouTube application. Then here we have looking one plus icon, that one we need to pick it. Then it shows 4 icons: create a short, upload videos, go live and create a post. See, we need to upload the video, so that we have to select upload video on second one, the second icon. So I selected it. So now we need to locate the videos, which one we need to upload it. I'm going to select this one, give the next. Yes, I need to give the title here. Yes, I'm given title how to cultivate the mint. So you have to give the title related to your videos, then only it will be good. The views and all, it will be good. Then we have to select description, add description. Yes, here also you have to describe your video, little elaborate. It's related to your videos. And after that, visibility. I'm already selected public, so yes, I'm leave as public only. I'm not going to select unlisted and private, because I need to public once the video is uploaded. Then location is not required, because I don't want to add the location here where I uploaded. If it is required, you will add it. And add to playlist. Yes, I'm going to add into playlist. I'm going to add to the playlist form. Yes, my video is based on form, so that I uploaded under form playlist only. Okay, now I'm going to give the done. Yes, now I need to give next. Yes, one more question here for us: is it made for kid, or it's not made for kid? Yes, I'm going to select the second one. Since I'm not made for kid, that's why. Then we need to upload video, so that we need to pick this one, this icon, upload video. Yes, now I'm going to give publish, second one. Yes, now we can be look, the file is uploading in the library. Just pick it, the library. Yes, you can see your videos under one uploading. Yes, one file is uploading in our YouTube. Yeah, that's it. The file will be uploaded once, then viewer can be watch our videos. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.